Hello, my name is Isabella Nickel, and this is my data protocol tool for instructional practices and academic success. All right, so for step one, taking a look at present data. So we would take a look at the data that we have at hand. And then step two would be discussing strengths and weaknesses of present data. So, for example, in my district, it would be FastBridge data and taking a look at what students are in the high risk category, the low risk category, college pathway, tier one, tier two, and tier three level instruction. And then step three would be the collaborative discussion on possible solutions and interventions. So, thinking of ways that we could instruct students that would be beneficial and show progress through the data. And then step four would be coming to a consensus on evidence based practices to improve data. So, taking a look at successful methods throughout our district or other districts to help improve our data for student success. And then step five would be implementing evidence based practices. So, actually utilizing those evidence based practices within the classroom and the instruction to see whether or not it helps improve the data. And then step six would be revisiting new data quarterly in meetings with staff and administrators and repeat the process. Okay, so this is my guide for questioning that staff would look at in their quarterly meetings. So take a look at present data. Number one, what data is currently being analyzed? Two, why is this data important to the academic success of students? And three, in what ways has the data changed from previous data collected in the same category? And so as you can see for step two, I have a couple of questions as well for identifying weaknesses and success. And then for step three would be questions regarding the collaborative discussions that would be having and potential solutions to improve the data. And then step four would be consensus on solutions. So deciding as a team what would be best to try to improve that data. And then number five would be actually implementing those practices. And then step six would be revisiting the data. So this would just be used in the meeting to make sure that all of the administrators, as well as the teachers and other staff members, are reflecting on the process and thinking about why we use data, as well as how we use data. So that is my presentation. Thank you for watching.